Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope my our friends and viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well and enjoying their life with their sweet family and sweet friends like me. I'm also good. I'm also perfect, alhamdulillah, thanks of my Allah. So guys, I'm also good, alhamdulillah, thanks of my Allah. So let's back to our video. Today I'm going to share with you very impressive and very attractive ideas and cutest ideas and stylish ideas. Beautiful, adorable crochet bag designs, crochet bags, purses and clutches ideas. It's all amazing, fantastic and beautiful bags in crochet collection. So please, it's all our fantastic and adorable, elegant styles, designs and ideas, crochet bags. Different color like black color, blue color, fantastic stylish red color, yellow color, pink color, tipping color and also fantastic and cutest stylish ideas, crochet bag designs. Different styles and different designs, crochet bags. Beautiful, so elegant and so beautiful. Some are chain styles, some are handle styles and also tussle styles. You can also make this pattern with fancy with beads and stones. So like, comment and don't forget sharing these all video with your family and friends. So guys, like, comment and don't forget sharing these all video with your all family and friends. You can easily try these beautiful bags anytime, anywhere. If you are a uni girl, college girl, office lady, you can easily try these beautiful bags. Okay, now I have to go. Bundle of thanks for watching. See you till the next video. Allah Hafiz.